How to make your headlights or any other opaque plastic shine again. Hello everyone. I would like to apologize. I know this is outside my area, but it is something I want to share with you. I hope it helps you, and in advance, I thank you for the like. Here's what I use: CRC contact cleaner and clear coat spray paint. It is not necessary to use contact cleaner. You can use any other product that removes grease or oils. I use CRC contact cleaner to clean the surface of the headlight. This product is plastic safe. It does not burn plastics. You can use with confidence. It dries fast too, but it doesn't hurt to wipe it with a clean cloth or paper. Then apply the clear coat spray evenly. I had problems with my spray. The nozzle got clogged and I had to try with the nozzle of another spray. That's why I couldn't apply it correctly and evenly. I hope you can tell the difference between before and after. I want to notice that the focus of the camera changed and blurred when I applied the clear coat. Then it focuses again. So I use contact cleaner because I don't have to use rags and it dries almost immediately. But again, you can use any cleaner you prefer. The point is that whatever is being restored is completely clean, free of grease or oil, and completely dry. Since I had problems with the clear coat applicator, I later went to buy a new one and another bottle of contact cleaner. I finished what I had left on my headlight. And I also did the same with the electricity meter. So you can see this works for more than just reconditioning your car's headlights. Apparently, it works with any opaque plastic, as you saw in this video.